Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to set up a registered agent using Tailor brands. A registered agent is the official point of contact for your business, and Tailor Brands makes the process incredibly simple. Once you're logged in to your Tailor Brands dashboard, choose the business you want to manage and move to the Compliance section. There, you'll see the option for Registered Agent Service. Click it, and Tailor Brands will explain what's included, like receiving legal notices, state documents, and time-sensitive mail on your behalf. When you're ready, click Set Up Service, and you'll be asked to confirm your business details. Make sure your legal name, address, and entity type are correct, since these will appear on state records. After reviewing, Tailor Brands automatically assigns you a registered agent in your state and handles all the paperwork for the appointment. You simply complete your payment, and within moments, your agent becomes active. From then on, any official mail is uploaded to your dashboard so you can access it anytime. Setting up a registered agent with Tailor Brands keeps your business compliant, organized, and protected with almost no effort on your part. Subscribe the channel for more videos.